Today, our guest is Mr. Nirmal Mundra. He is the MD of Nirmal Glass Tech Industries. Welcome, Mr. Mundra.
Thank you very much.
So, just to start
Hello.
with, just to start with, can you just explain me in brief, your association with AGI Glasspack, how long it have been, and what's the journey, which is going on as of now, and what is the future thing which you are looking for from AGI Glasspack?
Good afternoon, Mr. Vishwanath. I think almost our company, we are working together with the AJ Class Pack. I do remember more than it is 35 years, more than 35 years. And since I'm the responsible for the last, for the last 30 years, I know very well we are in touch constantly with the AJ Glasspack, who is the leader in the glass field in the India.
Right,
And of course in Asia they are also enjoying a good reputation. And
right.
there is one of the best producer in India. We are very much last so many years as a improving every day. So it's
Right.
one of the company in India.
That's perfect. That's perfect. And that's good to listen from you. Giving that privilege to AJ Glasspack, and of course, as a vendor like you, as a partner, if I say that's the right word, as a partner like you, who has been on with a constant support, 24/7 was always on a good notes of AJ Glasspack. Definitely. Can you share some of your good experiences? So it might be some of the instances where it was felt that AJ Glasspack one of the best customer you have been in all these years. Okay, so any specific projects you want to highlight, and it was a very challenging for you which AJ has provided, but at the same time you have done it it was a very a cakewalk for you.
We have done almost every projects for AGI for the last 30 years.
Right.
And especially in Hyderabad, we started your, this 5-inch double gop, all the machines when you started this new project is almost 25 years before.
Right.
And then recently we did with the Bhongir plant. All the machines are the with the latest technology. It was in India, the latest technology is introduced by the AGI, and you are having the AIS machines for which we design and we develop everything as per your requirement, and we delivered you in time with a good satisfaction. And the major thing, since your company is a quite professionally, so they understand how we have to work and what supports we need. So they give all the infrastructure, all the data, all the supports to it, so that give us the encouragement, like we have to work together and we feel enjoyment always with your good supports. As sometimes we need the financial supports, we sometimes we need the we because of the developments we need your quantity supports also. We need more quantity, but your company is really, we're happy. They understand our requirements, they and always supports with a positive attitude, which is very important for any to towards any company. So we
Yes.
love to come work with you, with your AGI.
Definitely, definitely. We always look forward, a partner like you who always been a supportive in terms of the work we always give you, and also at the same time the solutions which you come for. Okay, which is exceptionally remarkable, which as an AG always admirable for that. Definitely will
Yeah.
definitely keep that thing. So, what is that one good thing that you always find in Asia? Like one good thing, if you want to describe that one word or one sentence, or what good thing would you like to describe in that?
I think you AGI believe in the partnership.
Okay, perfect.
It
That's
is the
that's
one.
makes yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That makes the complete sentence. We as an AJ always believe in partnership rather than being in a keeping a vendor supplier relationships, because vendor supplier relationships will gonna be won't sustain for all. At least partnership will always sustain for long. Based on the complete understanding with the relationships and all. How many years do you have been working? Like, it's how many years? Can you just give that number?
6 years. Together with the AGI.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Yeah, I think almost I just seen all the records sometimes. So it is almost 40 years we are working
Oh,
together.
so
It's a long relationship.
it's a very long
Yes.
partner, I can
Yeah.
say. It's remarkable. See, that's
As I
amazing.
told you,
Yes, yes.
yeah. As I told you, like my father, he started this Nirmal Glass Industries, and he was working with you already. Then
Right.
it is almost 30 years. I'm with the Nirmal Glass Industries. I'm looking after all the activities. So definitely, we are working with the AGI more than 40 years,
Right.
and we have seen all the vertical growth. So we always pray that AGI should be the leader in the world.
So definitely, and that type of backup from this partner like you, definitely we will definitely be the leading container glass manufacturer for sure, in India at least, for one fine day for sure, in terms of metric tons, I can say, or in terms of revenue also, such that you can have a backup on it. So
But
more the
as
plants,
per my knowledge, in India already AGI is the toughest producer and the toughest professionally managed company
right?
and good payment, sir. So as on date, it is our feedback to you. Like AGI is the best among everyone in the
Oh,
Indian glass country.
that's a great compliment, which we have received, such a partner like you. Definitely, thank you so much for that. And what is the further expectations from AGI down the line? I understand you have used a word called partnership. You would like to be okay. What are the further expectations? What you would like to be known about the AGI for in the coming years?
In the current situation of the last few years, we are completely satisfied with your, as a vendor, we need two things from you. One is orders,
Right,
and second one is the payments. Both are the things are quite satisfactory from your side, because we are also keep in the mind like we have to supply to the AGI like it is our company, so we keep our margins accordingly. And
right,
also with AGI, because we develop and design a lot of product which are really the big challenges for us, but we did for the AGI. And definitely for our success, AGI supports is always very very important. Definitely it is sometimes vice versa, but we
right,
need the same this type of support in future also. Like more, you have to expand and more new technology, you have to be work with the new technology, and that technology you have to deliver us to for the further development for your company, so that we can also grow together. So
right,
we
right.
need only the our wishes for the AGI faster
Okay.
growth, and we can grow together.
Sure, sure.
It
And
is
the
your
last,
success.
yes, please continue.
Yeah, no, your success, AGI success is our success. So
Yes,
we always wish AGI should grow.
it's always directly proportional to everything. It's not inversely proportional. So it's always depends. It's not in this industry. It's with the complete thing. If it's complete industry growth, then the players in that will have a growth. If that is the players in the will have a growth in that, then the suppliers will have the growth in that. So it's basically proportional with each and everything. It's not inversely proportional. So I definitely admire that. Yes.
Yeah.
And the last thing I
Yes,
would
sir.
like to know, uh, anything else you would like to add up for the relationship between the Nirmal Glasstek Industries and AGI Glasspack? You would like to add anything on that?
We can only suggest, like Nirmal Glasstek Industries is supplying almost more than 40 countries worldwide, and
Right,
we are working internationally, and we have learned a lot of things technically. Like out of India, a lot of people they are using a lot of different better products in
right,
metallurgy, in accuracy level. So I will suggest with the AGI, like sometimes because of the competition in the pricing, comparing to other vendors, sometimes we keep it in mind, like if our price goes up, maybe AGI would not prefer. So I suggest you, instead you should also sometimes try to compare our prices with the international levels, so that you can have a good quality at least from our side, because sometimes a lot of treatments and metallurgical we want to introduce, but because of pricing fear, looking towards the Indian mentality with the other competitors, we have to sometimes not in a position
Right.
to
So just
deliver
to
it.
add on to
So
that,
we
India always been a flexible with our partners, whether it's a pricing. See, pricing comes at the end for us. It's always the product what we are looking for it. So as it specifically speaks for the parts, for the ice machine parts or any of those things. Okay. So we always believe, the Nirmal Glasstech is the top priority for us in terms of the products what you give it to us. Okay. So the pricing is for AGI is always the secondary part, but of course the quality always remains the top. Okay, so we'll definitely keep that recommendation or a suggestion. The suggestion is basically the right word. Okay, I'll keep that in mind for sure, and we'll always be in a good part of our relationship. We grown together. So definitely, I look forward to that, sir.
thank you
So
so much, and
yes, thank
yeah,
you so much for this giving us your time, valuable time, and we appreciate that Nirmal Glasstech Industries will gonna be a partnership. Of course, we are a partner, but a long-term partner to growing a partner. Whether now it's a 40 years, so coming 100 years also we're gonna. So, coming 50 years it's a short term, and coming 100 years we're gonna be partnering with you for a long. Even your family's business, because it's a family business which you're taking care of it, your like sons will also can be helping AGI Glasstech in the
yeah,
same thing, which will be a
yeah,
add-on
right.
advantage.
Yeah. So we wish you all the best with the AJ Glasspack, and we pray that you should grow more and more. And already AJ is having a good reputation in the world. In India, definitely you are the toughest one. So professionally and with the technology and with the good people team, of course, you have to grow always. And we are always with you. Nirmal Glasspack Industries is your company, and we assure you, like together growth would be our aim with the AGI. And
Definitely.
for your success, we are always with with the AGI, and we are always your company.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for this, and thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bye bye.